Yeah, good morning guys. It's currently morning here. I just woke up from sleep. You can see my face. I was so tired last night. I slept late. So quick one. Today I just want to do an Airbnb tour where I'm staying. Just to give you guys the view. You understand? If you're just joining this channel, welcome back. I'm an international student living in Canada from Nigeria, so I'm sharing my experiences with you. You can check the bio, my description on my YouTube channel to know what to expect. Yeah, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also try and comment any suggestion or any topic you want me to show you guys. So guys, I want to quickly do a brief tour on my room now, but I want to start outside from the house and gradually to every part of the room of the house and finally to my room. So guys, don't go anywhere. Let's go. So guys, I'm currently outside, so I'll be taking you. This is outside the view of my Airbnb. Outside the view of my Airbnb, yeah. This is this guy clearing his grass. So yeah, this is my house. This is the Airbnb I'm staying. Yeah, this is the Airbnb I'm staying, and that window upstairs is my room. So let's get in. So you come here, let me show you around again. This is the host car. So you come here, climb. Yeah, this is the door. You open the door. It has a dynamic lock. Yeah, so you double tap, then you press the random number. After you press the random number, you enter your lock. But I didn't lock it when I came out, so I just open it. If you tap it like this, I didn't lock it, so you enter your numbers. So it's already unlocked, so just open it. So this is the door. This is the veranda. This is the living room. Yeah, this is me, fresh. This is your one and only castle of Canada, golden boy of Canada. So this is the living room. This is the fridge. Yeah. So this is basement. This is the kitchen. So if you want to cook some stuff, just come here and cook. I've not yet cooked anything yet. Because the bag I came with, I didn't want to unpack them yet. I wanted to move out from here, where I'll go to my actual room before I begin to pack things. And again, I'm still confused on how to operate some things. So I'm not gonna spoil anything. So let me just respect myself. So once I move in and I'm with my roommate, yeah, I can do that. So this is the shelf. What is this one? Inverter. And this is what we have. If you want to cook some things, yeah. This is the water. We have some dishes. This is the electric cooker. Some ingredients for cooking. This is your gas cooker. You have your shelf. What is this one called? I don't even know. I just see different thing. I know savvy guy. Yeah. So this is your fridge. Is this toast bread machine or what? I don't know. This is microwave down. So guys, this is the toilet. The toilet is very clean. Very clean. So this is the water. Very clean. This is one of the neatest toilet I've ever seen. This is the bedroom. This touching water. Yeah. The one and only cassie of Canada. Golden boy. Okay, once more. Yeah. So that is that for the toilet. So this is the veranda. This is the back. This is the back of the house, the veranda, where you can come and chill. You can come and chill. Yeah. Come and chill. Dustbin. So guys, the view is beautiful. So this is upstairs. Going to my room. This is the staircase. Going to my room. Yeah, these are the two rooms. This is the light. This is my own room here. So guys, let's take a tour. Yeah. So lock my door. So guys, this is where I keep my clothes. I've not kept my clothes here because it's still in my bag. I want to move out from here before I start keeping my clothes, but this is where to keep clothes. Yeah. This is the fridge. That is the side. This is the TV. I've never on the TV yet. This is my laptop. This is my cookies. This is my table, my cup, the lights, my bag, my towels, my bigger bag. This place is for keeping some items store. This is the window view. This is window view. This place is store. For keeping some stuff. Yeah. So that that is it. This is the fan. Yeah, so guys, this is my bed. This is where I rest. So guys, I've come to the end. I don't know why this place is showing white. This one I'm at in Canada. What? I'm going to take my bath. What is happening? So guys, that is the end of the tour, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. You understand? So help me and build this channel. This channel is still new. So yeah. See you guys. Bye.